All right, so today we are taking really a little bit later than the first days of demo. We've actually taken one whole giant truckload out of, this was completely paneled by all the material you see that's around the front. And we're turning this into a 3-bedroom, opening up that by adding a bedroom here. We're opening up the kitchen entrance so it's bigger. Saving some of the molding and paneling around the kitchen, around the windows, saving the kitchen and baths for another time because we had to split this in two because of the elevator changes and the client's schedules. But here we're moving the powder door. You see that we have the closet built-ins coming up here. And we're rocking and rolling. We really have another bathroom door here that works while we have it as a temporary. We're, Chaba, I need you to take this one down. We're moving electric moving. Okay, great. So we're getting it going. Very exciting. Here we took out a lot of cabinets and there's a lot of LED lights to transform. Putting in wall-mounted TV and all new wood floor. It's been a challenge. So we'll say ciao for now.